Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a video review for a product from ClickBank called the Commission Code. And this here is the dashboard. We're going to be taking a look at it. Before we do, though, I want to remind you that if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to it. And also, please hit the bell icon. Tap it a couple times firmly so that you get notified every time I publish a new review video or a tutorial video that can help you build your online business. And speaking of building an online business, I have free training that's available. Just click the link down in the description for free training that'll help you build an online business that you'll be proud of, that you can get started doing that today. So without waiting any further, let's move on. We're going to talk about the commission code from ClickBank. Now, first off, what we're going to look at here is the ClickBank. If you go to ClickBank, you'll find you put in the commission code, and you're going to be getting this product here. It's an incredible new biz opportunity offer. Okay, so it's going to look like this right here. And what you're going to do is click, and there's about an 8-minute sales video here. What you're going to do is you're going to put in your full name and email address, and then they're going to charge you $9 for a 2-week trial basis. At the end of 2 weeks, you'll be charged $47 a month from there on out. So I just want to remind you of that if you're looking at what is involved with this product. It's a $9 14-day trial basis to look at the product, which we're going to look at what's in the dashboard, and then they're going to charge you $47 per month after that, until and if you cancel it. So let's go back to the dashboard. We're going to take a look at the dashboard. It's going to look like this here. So simple. Follow directions to get your system set up. Just track sources outlined in the members area, and boom! I was making money the first week. So says Jill Yen and Mom. So what you're going to do then is follow directions. Click here to start. Now you're going to get a dashboard that's going to pop up for you. And what it's going to look like here, there's an intro video right here. They're showing some sales figures for the commission code. And you can log in here. And log in here. We're already logged in, so I looked at that as just more ornamental than anything else. Now there's going to be a training area, which is basically what we just looked at, except there's going to be like an intro video from the creator. It's talking about the system, how to set up the commission code system. Okay, so the commission code system is basically a couple things. Okay, it's nothing more complicated than that. You've bought this course, and what they're going to teach you to do is you're going to get a code for selling the commission code from ClickBank. There's a section here. I'm going to talk to you about how to get set up in ClickBank, how to get a ClickBank account, creating your ClickBank ID or nickname, setting a ClickBank with your bank account. It's basically setting up a account with ClickBank. Then what they're going to do is they want you to promote this course, the ClickBank Commission, along with any other courses you find available in here that you might be interested in, or maybe a course in there that matches up something you already have on your website. But, however, let's go back to the dashboard. This is a section on getting set up with ClickBank. There's a section they're suggesting you use GetResponse for integration. And again, there's a series of videos here for training and how to get set up with the commission code, which is going to supply you with a couple templates under the your initial purchase of $9 for trial. Now, the last step is once you've decided on a product and you've set up a page, they want you to buy solo ads. And they're going to talk about is a short little thing he describes about how to analyze solo ads, which perfectly honestly, I found this training to be very inadequate and very not inaccurate, but very lacking, if you will, especially if you're a newbie. There's a heck of a lot more goes into making a solid solo ad purchase as far as timing and how to do it and where to get traffic from than what he's just telling you here in a limited 5-minute video. And he goes into recommending 4 traffic sources. Traffic for me, an MLM traffic center, a guy named Wayne Crow traffic, and then Udemy solo ads, which I talk about. I did a couple videos, which you can take a look at up in the link in the upper right hand corner of the video right now. You'll see a card you can click on and look at, and please watch those solo ad videos I created. They explain in detail the warnings and the things to avoid, that you really shouldn't be buying solo ads as a newbie without having a good solid mentor or good education and or experience in having something set up that you can use solo ads for to make them effective, because they're very costly. But he goes through, and I thought it was kind of funny. He was kind of very honest about the traffic sources and where they come from, and it's not really good. I think it's something, if anything, it's worth the $9 just to get kind of an education at the inside of what solo ads look like, and what a guy that's been using them for years and has sold solo ads kind of looks at solo ads and the people that provide them. I found that very interesting. So without waiting any longer, let's move in. We'll roll into the email profit pages, where they're going to help you set up your own email profit pages. And there's a quick video in here, and another video explains how to analyze the stats that you're going to be getting. But you have to, and here's the first warning, you have to upsell to a pro to get all the templates that are available. So this is very, very limited for what? You're basically going to be set on figuring this out on your own, because the training here, as well as the bonus training here, is not that much and not that detailed as far as how and what you want to have for knowledge for moving on to make money. And because folks, what they're doing is they're basically showing you it's easy as 1, 2, 3. The thing I always say, it's not that easy. And they want you to basically pick out a product, set up a sales page, drive traffic through a responder, an autoresponder, and the traffic comes from buying solo ads from these sources, and then promoting his product and being part of his Facebook group and whatever. But everything from here, the ADA, ATM social profit pages, the commission code X, the contest winners are all things you have to upgrade to. You have to buy these upsells or you can't get to them. So basically what I've showed you already is what there is. And that's for $9 for trial, $47 per month after that. So I would say basically I'm going to give this a 0 out of 10. I don't like this at all. I think this gives affiliate marketing a black eye. I think it gives what people think is an easy way to make money. It's not an easy way to make money. I see that this is selling for quite a bit, that you're going to make on if you promote it, and which is, I guess if you decide that that's the way you want to do with your business, is sell products like this and just keep like churn and burn, maybe turn people over and build email addresses on your autoresponder. Just keep promoting products that aren't really going to add that much value to them. I guess that's your choice. That's something I wouldn't recommend, because folks, the biggest thing I'm recommending is stay away from the solo ads. This whole thing is built on solo ads being the answer. And they're just not. So a 0 out of 10. If you got some value out of this video, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've been here before and haven't. And also, if you're a new person to our channel, please subscribe. And also, please hit the notification so that you get notified every time about a new video being published to our channel. And I just want to remind you again, we have good free training available down in the description. So click the link below. We can help you build a bigger, better business with tips suggested in that link below. Great free training to get you started today on your own home online business for yourself and your family. And thank you for watching this review today. And we appreciate your viewership. Come on back to visit us sometime. Thank you again.